Welcome back. Now, in the same way that we use stock video, we can also use stock images given to us inside of our Microsoft Clipchamp account. If we click on stock images here on the left side menu, you'll notice then that there are images that you can place on your timeline in various places in your video. And all you need to do is to make sure your cursor is where you want to insert the image, and then you will add the image to your timeline. And you will be able to see how the image is going to look in your video. You can also adjust the image how you want it to be. If you want to use the effects inside of the image, you can do it. And just as you would have in any other element, you will be able to customize the look of the element with your controls. If you want to find out about the image, you can click on top of it. You'll then be able to determine what Microsoft is thinking when they place the image and make it available to you. And as is the case with stock video, some of the images are going to be free, and you'll see a diamond as the indicator that the images are going to be premium or paid. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.